Hello YouTubers, as you can see I'm running Uberstudent 4.1 with the XFCE desktop. I'm here to show you how to install League of Legends on your computer. You start by going to the software center in Uber. You type in play on and play on Linux. Here you will have an install option, which for me is just removed because I already have it installed. After that you run it. Now once in play on Linux, because I already have League of Legends, I'll just demonstrate how you go. You go install, you choose League of Legends and run. After this, there will be a couple install options for play on Linux. Just hit next, next, next. Basically, after you finish that, that is it. There is no more configuring needed to play League of Legends. However, here are my suggestions what you can do. Now, first off, you'll get 1.733 League of Legends setup of wine. This is not a usual setup for wine because the normal wine currently is 1739. However, this is a preset that runs smoothly on League of Legends. Now in wine configuration, here I was suggested to use Windows 7 default. However, here I would suggest to use Windows 7. However, there are some bugs, so I left it Windows XP. Now in graphics, automatic mouse capturing have to be checked, and emulate virtual desktop if you wish to improve performance, or you just want to play League of Legends in Windows. However, I started this without emulation of virtual desktop, so it captures my League of Legends in full screen. Second, when you install components, everything is already installed. Secondly, you need to check OpenGL in draw rendering. Set your memory of your video card. I have a 2 GB memory, but I'm allocating 1 GB just for the test. And off-screen rendering, choose FBO. Now you can use backup or pub, or you can use default. It has no real influence here, so FBO is okay. Miscellaneous, you can use default, enable, disable, or force. Now this is mouse override. Mouse override is like in Windows 7 where the game is forced to use your mouse. Here you can set a default, enable, which will Linux will try to override mouse commands to the mouse settings. This is usually for people who are left-handed. If you're right-handed, you will have no problems. If you're left-handed, you should try to set this to enable. However, testing has shown that League of Legends is not configured to override the mouse, which means that you'll have to go in and set up it manually with configuration file. I'll show you in the next video how to do that. For now, we hit run, or we use the icon that is on the desktop. Basically, there is no difference. Now, after installation, there are a couple of steps that you need to follow, which are important. First, you should decheck or launch League of Legends, but I think you'll get a note about that. Now, I think I'm patching, so we'll wait. Yes, as you can see, I'm in the middle of the patch. Sorry about that. 5.6 patch has been officially released, so I gotta finish that first. However, while we are waiting, I can just say that there was a problem while I was patching the League of Legends on Linux and on some of Windows configurations. Once it hits about 80%, there is a chance that your installation will stall, hit 0k bps download. Basically, nothing will happen. What is going on? Windows is compiling its patches, and Linux is compiling its patches. So once it is done, it will resume normally. Well, how much is needed? In my case, I left it overnight. Once I came in the morning, it was simply launch, set to launch. So leave it overnight and you should not have any problems. As you can see, League of Legends is working fine. And then that's it for this video. Thank you.